So basically, this system monitors your reviews 24 by 7 and also generate a reply using AI. In this case, we will be using a Gemini and later publishes the review back to that particular person who have placed the review. And later on, it can also store the reviews or replies in the Google Sheet so that at the end of the month you can analyze your reports. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before diving, if you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button because I regularly bring automation related tutorials which can help you improve your business operations or your marketing stuff. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. You will be needing these three platforms. One is mainly the Google My Business. Secondly, Pably Connect to automate this stuff. And thirdly, the Gemini API. So I will be dropping the website URLs in the description section so you can go there and take it. Firstly, we will be creating an account in the Pably Connect. So I already created the account. It's very simple. You just have to sign up for free. So I already created the account. So I'll just directly log in it. All right. So after login, you will be seeing this kind of dashboard. Here you have to go to Pably Connect. Also, okay. So here in the Pably Connect, you will be getting a 100. So here in the Pably Connect, you will be getting 100 free tasks which you can utilize in a month. So I believe initially if you're automating this stuff, like 100 is enough for it. So once you logged into this Public Connect, okay, so after that, click to this create workflow. And if you want this node kind of thing, then you can select on this. I like this classic version, so I'll go to this. Then name this as anything like you want. After that, you can see here like there is one trigger and action. Okay. So here the trigger will be your review when someone plays a review to your Google My Business. So here we need to connect it with the Google My Business. So here I will search Google My Business profile. See, after that, so here we have to click new review. So whenever someone plays a new review, the automation gets triggered. All right. So click the connect. If you're new, then you have to click on add new collection and then name it as you want. I'll name it as GMV IP video. Okay. And sign it with Google. Then make sure you select the email ID which does have the access of your Google My Business account. Then continue. Success. All right. So here you can see the account name and the location name. All right. So I have only single location. So here it is showing single location. If you have multiple stores, you can select which store you need. After that, just click on this button. After clicking on the button, you will see the last review which is placed on your Google My Business. Or if you are doing this freshly, you can just put any of the review manually as well. So now that we have the review which is placed by the customer, we have to create a reply. So for that, we will be using a Gemini API. So I will quickly show you how you can generate a Gemini API. So for that, we have to go to Google AI Studio and here you will see the get API key. And here you will not see this because I already created two of them. Here just click on create API, then here name it anything. I'll name it test, and you can create a new project as well and just select it and create key. And see the key is created. So here is the key. You can check the created date. So here just we have to click on this and copy the key. Make sure you copy the API key only and So after we get the review, we will be connecting the Gemini node. So for that, we will be searching Gemini, and here we will select generate content and connect. So here, if you are doing this newly, just click on new connection and paste that API key here and name it accordingly. Great. Now the API key is connected with this node. So now we have to write a prompt which can generate a review reply. So I have generated a prompt which you can find in the description as well. So here is the prompt, and you just have to replace this part with the review coming from Google My Business. So here we will be mapping it. So just comment. Yeah. So this is the review. Just need to place it. All right. So before you integrate this with your business, make sure you write your prompt properly. You can use this same prompt, just replace your business name with my business name and tweak some of the words with this. So make sure you add this last line. So this can optimize your review replies and get better rank. All right. So I just have to select the model. I'll keep it as slash 2.5 only and save and test. See, it just gave me a fantastic review. So now we just have to paste this review, or you can say the reply, to the Google My Business again, so that the viewer also can see it. So for that, we will be connecting again Google My Business. So this time we will be selecting a create reply. So connect, and this same as this, you have to paste the reply here. So we'll map it accordingly. This. So now this will go and reply to Google My Business profile again. So now I'll click on save and test request. See, this is done. See, this was the review done by this company, which is also visible like this. It was nice working with you guys. Same. Okay. And this is our review, which is generated by AI. All right, perfect. So now that we are getting the review replied as well, we just have to create a Google Sheet and just connect it with this system so that we can also review our monthly Google My Business progress in terms of reviews. So for that, we will select Google Sheet and connect and select add new row so that every time a new review comes, it adds as a new row. Here you have to connect the Google Sheet. I have already connected. The same way you can also connect. You have to create a Google Sheet as well. So you can follow this format. I'll share the Google Sheet link as well in the description. So here you can see I have selected the spreadsheet and select sheet. Then here we will be nating the date. Okay, so here is the catch. Here, if you need to convert this date because it is coming in this format, I'll do one thing, I'll change the date format as well. For that, I'll add a date node. Also, one more thing, the Google My Business profile, the created date is coming in the UTS format, UTS timings. So we have to convert that UTS timing to Indian timing or whichever the country or time zone you fall in. So I'm currently in the India, so I'll select the Indian timings. So select format date with Indian time zone. So format date with Indian time zone. And connect. Here you have to paste the here you have to paste the updated time and keep as it is. Here just select which format you will be needing as an output. So I will be needing it as this one. No, sorry. Yeah, this one. And time zone has UTS because it is coming in UTS, and output time zone has whichever you want, and see, though the review is placed on 1st March, it is taking the down. All right. After that, we will paste the above response into this, and the star has 5 star. The person name from here, the review they have put it, and reply which we have generated, and send. See, you have successfully pasted that review here. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video till end. And if you also need any consultation regarding the AI and automation stuff for your business, you can also book a consultation with me. I have attached the consultation booking link below. So just check it out. And thank you so much. Bye bye.